Hello, welcome back to school. I was trying to figure out what rhythm was. Da 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 da. um, I have a ruler. And the reason I have a ruler is because looking at the next page, that's my ruler. Looking at the next page, it has measurements. Like you have to measure the square and stuff and lines. So, my question is, should I use the inches or should I use the millimeters? I think that's what that is. Those are really small lines. We're going to do the inches because the inches are bigger lines. And I might be able to understand them better because I don't know how to read the millimeter side. Like, no one's ever taught me how to do that. So, and I'm sure that will be taught in school eventually, in the arithmetics. Okay. Lesson 23, page 23. Oh, the lesson is talking about the inch. So that tells it right there. I have to use the inch. Draw a line as long as this line. Okay, so that's a drawing assignment. So I got to draw that out in my notebook when I copy these out. This line is 1 inch long. I'm going to measure that because I don't believe them. Nope. This line is not 1 inch long. This line is 1 inch and a half. I think that's a 4. So is that 3/4? I think it's 1 inch and 3/4 long, but I don't know. But I know it's not 1 inch long. So I think when they made the font nice and big, it made the lines nice and big too. So, yeah. We're going to have to do some adaptation here. Draw a slanting line that is 1 inch long. Okay. We're going to have to write that out in the book too. Measure the angle of your number blocks and tell how long it is. Measure the edge of your I can't read. Measure the edge of your number blocks. I don't know what number blocks are. And I don't think we have number blocks. The closest thing to number blocks we have are dies. So, yeah. And I don't think that's going to be 1 inch long. Okay. The next one says, what part of the inch is this? Oh boy. I have to translate this now. Because if that regular line is over 1 inch, this is going to be under 1 inch. I don't know. We're going to say it's about, well, let me see here. If this first line, I'm going to say that's about half the line. Like one half the original line. And that's just kind of guesstimating based off what the original line is and measuring. Yeah. How long is 1/2 of this line? Okay, so we don't have like a measurement here. We're gonna say it's double the first, or we're gonna say it's double the quote-unquote inch line. So we're gonna say that's 2 inches long. But I don't know. We're kind of working with wonky lines here because they don't line up exactly. How long is 1/2 this line? Oh, wait. Oh, they want 1/2 of that line. Oh, hold on. Because I just measured it. That line, 1/2, we'll say it's about 2 inches, give or take. I'm just guesstimating. This is not fun when your lines don't line up with your ruler. This one here, 1/2 of it, we'll say it's a little bit over 1/2, according to the ruler and according to the line it has. So yeah. How long is the side of the square at the top? The side of the square at the top of the page. So now I gotta measure the square at the top of the page. Let me see here. It's less than 1 inch long. We'll say it's about 1/2 an inch according to our measurements or something. Because it's less than 1 inch. How many square inches are in all faces? Wait, hold on. I think I skipped a line because I don't get it. Okay, so we measured the square at the top. Okay, yeah. A square that is 1 inch on a side is called a square inch. Oh, wow. Okay. How many square inches are in all the faces of a side that is 1 inch on each side? Hold on, say that again. How many square inches are in all of the faces of a cube that is 1 inch on each side? Would it be 6 square inches? I don't know. This is stuff I never learned about. We're gonna say it's 6 because I don't know. 6 square inches? How many square inches is a surface that is 1 inch, 1 inch wide and 3 inches long? I have no idea. How many square inches is the surface that is 1 inch wide? I'm going to say it's a 1 inch by 3 inch square surface. But I don't know. I think I'm going to have teacher help me with this last part because this is like, no one's ever taught me this stuff. Okay, the last part here is how many square inches in a surface that is 2 inches wide and 3 inches long. Show with squares. What? I don't get it. Alright. We're going to put a note on this page. Lesson 23. I think this would be a good idea if teacher helped me with this, because I don't understand it. Like, I seriously don't understand it. So yeah, I'm going to send him an email about that and see. Okay, so the next one deals with more about the number 7. So we're going to continue. We're going to put that lesson on hold. I'm still going to write out what I did, but I really don't understand that because it was really kind of wonky. First, your lines didn't line up with the ruler. Then you had to do a square inches, which is a concept that I've heard of them, but I don't know what they are. Like, I know they're dealing with like carpentry stuff, like carpet laying. Carpet, yeah, but no one's ever taught me this, like, that I understood it, that I really, really understood it. I just heard it in passing. So, yeah. If you want to like, share, and subscribe, and see whether or not if I actually understand what a square inch is, you could do that. And don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.